Welcome to Lesson 4, Introduction to Classes, Objects, Methods, and Properties. This lesson is based on Chapter 4 of each of our books, Visual C# How to Program 6th edition and C# 6 for Programmers. Now, in this lesson, we're going to begin our discussions of object-oriented programming in C#. Even if you're already familiar with another object-oriented programming language, you'll probably still want to watch the videos in this lesson to see how C# compares to other object-oriented programming languages, such as Java and C++, for example. In this lesson, we're going to declare a class and use it to create an object for the first time. Back in the preceding lesson, we created simple console applications that only had main methods, and within those main methods, we performed some tasks, sometimes using pre-existing capabilities built into C# and the .NET framework. Here we're going to create our own class from scratch and then use it to perform a task. In particular, we'll be creating an object of a class called account that represents a simple bank account object. We'll show you how to declare instance variables of a class that maintain the data for each individual object of a class, as well as methods that perform the class's tasks. Then we'll show you how to interact with objects by calling those methods. We'll discuss the differences between local variables of a method and instance variables of a class. We'll show you some basic validation capabilities as well. We'll also discuss the differences between the private and public access modifiers, which are important as you design your classes. Later on in the lesson, we'll start to get into C#'s property syntax and show you how they can be used more elegantly to implement certain capabilities within your class. And we'll also demonstrate how to use constructors to specify how an object should be initialized at the moment that it's created. And finally, we'll also be discussing the decimal data type in C#, which is used for precise monetary calculations and precise calculations in general.